Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're here in Tustin, California, and we are doing some sanding and some finishing and some installation here. So turn this thing around and take a look at what we got going on here. So, big house, looks like it's a new purchase, but take a look at the floor. That is an inch and a half. 3/4, I believe, or it could be half, but let's take a look at the floor. There's just a lot of wear and tear on this thing. With all these nail holes, all that stuff, we'll definitely have to fill all that. You can see all the wear and tear on the floor. We got our guy right here. Scraping the floor, prepping. This is where the new wood's going to go down there. I'm going to show you the rest of the room. But as I'm walking through here, you can just see all the wear and tear. I mean, this thing's been abused. Definitely have to do a repair right there where it's cracked. Looks like some pet stains. Something must have happened here. But once we're all done sanding this, it's going to look like a brand new floor. Okay, so closet and everything. All right, so by our time frame, we'll be here for probably about 3 to 4 days, just getting everything, sanded, prepped. But it's gonna look beautiful once it's all said and done, So we'll do another video update either later on today or tomorrow, just to kind of show our progress. But everybody have a great day. Be safe out there.